Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going. Bell pepper's health benefits includes maintaining eye health, boosting immune system, provides nourishment for fetus, support weight loss, support digestive health and help fight inflammation. Other benefits includes fighting cancer, supporting nervous system, slow down aging process, support respiratory health and ensure proper blood flow. Below are the various amazing health benefits in details. Number 1. Maintains eye health. You can obtain adequate amounts of carotenoids such as beta-carotene and lutenoid from bell peppers. These components are essential to maintain eye health and prevent eyes from diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. Number 2. Nourishing for fetus. Nutritionists recommend consuming folate to expectant mothers as it nourishes the fetus. You can reap plenty of nutrients along with the high content of folate from any bell pepper for the healthy development of the fetus. Consuming bell pepper raw or cooked during pregnancy is said to be effective for pregnant mothers. Number 3. Boosts immune system. Your immune system performs essential functions such as warding off infectious bacteria to protect your body from its adverse effects. Bell peppers are abundant in vitamin C, and regular consumption of the vegetable can strengthen your immune system. Number 4. Ideal for weight loss. The versatile vegetable has potential to turn the carbohydrates you consume into energy. This way, your body remains unaffected by the bad carbohydrates that primarily result in obesity and overweight. Number 5. For digestive health. Improper digestive functioning results in diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, etc. that is utterly irritating and draining. Nutritionists recommend incorporating bell peppers into your daily diet due to the high niacin content found in them. Niacin is a vitamin B that is essential to improve the condition of your digestive system. Number 6. An antioxidant. Bell peppers can function as antioxidants. You need plenty of antioxidants as they fight cancerous cells and free radicals in your body to protect it against chronic diseases such as cancer. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory. Body inflammation can contribute to daunting diseases if not treated on time. Nutritionists encourage people to consume foods enriched with anti-inflammatory properties such as bell peppers. Studies have shown that incorporating orange and red bell peppers can prevent chronic joints and muscles inflammation. These vitamins and minerals are essential to maintaining your overall well-being. Therefore, incorporate it into your daily diet in any form and improve the quality of your life, but don't forget that everything works best in moderation. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.